pay for Lazada purchases using LazPayLater, select items, add items to your Lazada shopping cart and proceed to checkout. Payment options. At checkout, choose LazPayLater as your payment method. Ensure you have an approved LazPayLater limit. Confirmation. Review your order details and confirm the LazPayLater payment method. Receive order. Once your order is placed, Lazada will process it and you will receive the items as usual. Payment due date. LazPayLater allows deferred payments, usually with a specified due date. Ensure you make the payment within this period to avoid late fees or penalties. Access Lazada app or website. Log into your Lazada account using the app or website. Navigate to payments. Look for the payments or wallet section within the app. Select LazPayLater. Choose LazPayLater as the payment method and proceed to make the payment. Enter payment details. Input the amount you need to pay for the LazPayLater balance. Complete transaction. Confirm the payment, and once successful, you will receive a confirmation of the payment made towards your LazPayLater account.